Onto the story now. The Molopo Magistrate Court in the Northwest will hear closing arguments in the bail application of alleged insurance killer Agnes Setshwantsho. She's facing a charge of murder, 2 of fraud, and 1 of defeating the ends of justice. Setshwantsho is accused of murdering her relatives to claim insurance payouts. Let's get you the latest on this. Bring in our reporter, Refiloe Seboko, live to us now from just outside court. And we've been here for some time. Refiloe, I wonder if there's any telling how this is going to pan out.
We sure have been here for quite some time, Ayanda, and we'll hear those closing arguments today. And you remember that what we were expecting, this was even last year, during the last day of those bail hearing on the 20th of December, a state witness, which is a correctional service employee who was supposed to be called to testify in court, could not do that due to the alleged death threats that she was receiving from the suspect. And that is something that it happened yesterday when that state witness was called here in court to testify, particularly relating to the issue of the medical condition of Agnes Setshwantsho, or rather the facility and the storage facilities that they have in the Mahikeng female correctional service center where the accused is detained. And what she came out is that she was more about validating, rather, it was a validation that Agnes Setshwantsho is fit to remain behind bars. We remember that the defense is saying that they are applying for her to be released on bail, with the state saying that they believe that she should remain behind bars. But with this witness who came yesterday here in court was indicating that Agnes Setshwantsho's medical condition has even improved, Ayanda, to a point where her medication has now been altered, but also there is facilities like refrigerators in the facility that she is detained in, and to keep her insulin, and in some instances where there is also an ice bag where her insulin is being kept. But basically just indicating that Setshwantsho saying that she's not being treated well, and also that facility does not have proper storage for her medication. But this witness was saying that that's not the case, because there are refrigerators. Also, there is a doctor that comes and visits for consultation, which also Setshwantsho has access to. Also, remember that there are also investigations ongoing with NPA, indicating that investigations are ongoing in relation to the death threats alleged received by this correctional services employee, and they will also be monitoring that. What will also happen, we understand that happened, Ayanda, is that yesterday Sergeant Mabunda, who is the investigating officer in this matter, was also accompanied by the matters of the TRT. You remember that that's something that we saw on the last day of the of those hearings that happened last year on the 20th of December, where we saw those members of the TRT accompanying Sergeant Mabunda, but with the subs indicating that that is just a security measure, particularly because Sergeant Mabunda is dealing with sensitive and dangerous cases that exposes him to the public, and also equally exposing him to danger, and that's why they had to put these measures in place. But today, yes, like you indicated, is closing arguments, with the state remaining and maintaining that Agnes Setshwantsho should remain behind bars, while the defense saying that she should be released on bail.
Refiloe Seboko, live to us there from Mahikeng. Very comprehensive report there. Thanks very much indeed.